Do you want to be able to write code in Notion? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step to make it work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be quite simple. We need to firstly go into Notion and of course log into our Notion account, because then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now on this page, to be able to actually write code in Notion, then what you're going to do is to just click on anything right here. Then you're going to write like this, /code. So you can write like this and then select this first result right here, as you can see. And now you should be taken to this page. As you can see, by default, it writes JavaScript in here. But if you're going to write like in another code language, then just select this one right here. And you can either search for it right here or just scroll down and find the one that you want to be able to use. So for example, HTML, as you can see. And now you can start writing the code that you want to write here. And that is basically exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.